chasing every new AI acronym. You're not falling behind because you don't know enough acronyms. You're falling behind because you don't know how they fit together. Every week it feels like there's a new one that's coming out. SEO, GEO, AEO. I mean, the list goes on and on and on. And most marketers either treat them like they're competing strategies or they assume the terms are interchangeable. But they're not. They all have different jobs. That realization is what led me to build something I call the search pyramid. It organizes all of these concepts into one simple framework so you can stop chasing buzzwords and start building a real AI search strategy. If you've been feeling overwhelmed by all the AI alphabet soup, I break down the entire search pyramid in lesson 2 of my Ranked to Recommended series. The full lesson is available now on our YouTube channel in the Ranked to Recommended playlist. I'll see you there.